Everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to start and we are going to solve like the number of squares in a symmetric fig. Okay, so you can see here is a fig that is very important in terms of IKMC exam. Okay, so you have to see here, like you can see there are 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4. It means rows and columns are same, so you have to count down the total number of squares that this shape contain. Okay, so before going to start this, I am going to show here like easy trick to find that. Like let's suppose you can see here the first fig, so you can see here only one row and one column, so it means only 1 times 1, that is equal to 1 square. While here we have 2 rows 2 column, so it means first you need to multiply 1 times 1 plus here 2 times 2. It means that 1 plus 2 times 2 is 4, so the total number of squares will be 5 squares. Similarly, in the third shape you can see here we have 3 number of rows and 3 number of columns, so it means here it will be like 1 times 1 plus 2 times 2 plus 3 times 3. So 1 times 1 is 1 plus 2 times 2 is 4 plus 3 times 3 is 9, so the total will be 14 squares. Alright, so that is a trick. It means here now you can see in this part, so that one square, like I am going to write in this way, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. Okay, so 1 square is 1 plus 2 square is 4 plus 3 square is 9 plus 4 square is how much? That is 16. So now you have to count down. So 1 plus 4 plus 9, that is 14. 14 plus 16, so that is equal to 30 squares. I hope you would understand. So it's a short video, so in the next video we will discuss some other parts. Hope you understand this video. If you understand, then kindly like our channel and subscribe it. Thank you so much.